If you want to turn off Siri on your iPhone, I'm going to walk you through how to turn off Siri, but also how to remove those Siri suggestions. So let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down from here, and you're going to find Apple Intelligence in Siri, or it might say Siri in search. Just tap on that. The next thing you might want to do is turn off Apple Intelligence, and then tap on Talk to Siri. Instead of Hey Siri, let's switch this to off, and turn off, press side button for Siri and hit turn off. But that's not the only thing, because Siri suggestions could still be on. So let's tap the back arrow from here, scroll down, and you can see suggestions for Siri and search. So I'm going to turn off all of these, and you might also want to go to app clips, turn off that as well, and then go back to apps, and you might want to go into any of these and disable Siri within any of the apps that you don't want Siri to have access to as well. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you really like that one too. And thanks for watching.